Hello and welcome to my video on expanding single brackets. The thing to remember about multiplying brackets is that the term outside the bracket is multiplied by each term inside the bracket. Be careful when multiplying out the terms to take note of the signs. Let's start by looking at examples where we expand one single bracket. In example 1, we have 2 times the bracket 2y plus 3. So, we need to times everything inside the bracket by 2. 2y times 2 is 4y. And 2 times 3 is 6. Giving us an answer of 4y plus 6. Looking at example 2, we have minus 3 times the bracket 4x minus 1. Minus 3 times 4x is minus 12x. And minus 3 times minus 1 is positive 3. Giving us an answer of minus 12x plus 3. Example 3 is our final one single bracket example. We have 2b times the bracket b minus 2. 2b times b gives us 2b squared. And 2b times minus 2 gives us minus 4b. Giving us an answer of 2b squared minus 4b. You will sometimes be asked to expand more than one bracket and then simplify by collecting together like terms. For help with collecting like terms and simplifying, see my previous video, the link is in the description below. The method is exactly the same as for one bracket, you just collect together the like terms once you have expanded all the brackets. Let's expand and simplify example 4 on the board. Using the same method for each of the two brackets, we first multiply the first bracket by 2. This gives us 2x plus 4. Then multiply out the second bracket by 3, to give us 12x minus 3. Then we add together the x terms, 2x plus 12x, to give us 14x, and add the number terms to give 1. This gives a final answer of 14x plus 1. Example 5 is very similar to the last example, but the signs are a little trickier. First multiply the first bracket by 3, which gives 3x minus 9. The second bracket is minus 2 times everything inside the bracket, so this gives us minus 4 plus 2x. Adding the x terms gives us 5x. And adding the number terms gives minus 13. This gives a final answer of 5x minus 13. Example 6 is a little different. Here we have 3 brackets, but the technique is exactly the same as before. Expand each of the brackets, then look for like terms to collect together and simplify the expression. The first bracket is x times the bracket 2x plus 3. This gives us 2x squared plus 3x. The second bracket is x times the bracket y plus 2, which gives us xy plus 2x. The last bracket is y times the bracket y minus 1, which gives us y squared minus y. Looking at the 6 terms, the only like terms are the x terms. We can add these together to get 5x, and the final expression is 2x squared plus 5x plus xy plus y squared minus y. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can now expand and simplify single brackets. If you have found the content useful, please consider subscribing to my channel.